So I got that Homelite Top Handle running, and I have not yet put it into wood. I sharpened up the chain, got it kind of ready to go, and then decided to take it apart. So anyway, starting to take it apart. Got some muffler parts washing in here. The screen's pretty bad. But the element for the air filter is, well, gone. So until I find something to replace it with, I won't be running it. So more tear down, clean up, see what we get. Thanks. Alright, well here she is, part way apart. Again, I'm really happy with the condition of the plastics on this thing. I mean, it's really nice as far as plastic goes. And an older saw. But as you can see, she is a bit dirty. And we'll get her cleaned up while I'm waiting on making or finding something for that air cleaner. Anyway, but got her pulled apart. Compressions on her pretty good. I didn't do a test on it, but I'm happy with it. And again, like I said, I haven't cut with it yet. It hasn't been in the wood. But all in all, for less than $50 and the sentimental value that it has to me, I'm very happy. It's a little stripped out. There we go. Probably because she was rubbing on the bottom of the, every time you set the saw down. Although, the saw didn't see a lot of use. There we go. Aha! There it is. Yeah, I'll get a good cleaning. Alright, more work. Not super clean, but way cleaned up from what it was. It's good enough for me to want to put it back together if I can find something to use as an air cleaner right there. But that remains to be seen. So, curious to see how the muffler parts are looking. Maybe I'll set you down over here and take a look. Get something down on the bench. Doesn't run everywhere. Rings for that cylinder. Ring, not rings. Oh yeah, cleaned up pretty good. Oh yeah, that'll work. That'll work. I mean, it is the inside of the muffler, but it still could be a lot cleaner than what it was. So, I'm not going to get fussy about it, but I want to try to clean it up a little bit. Not bad for no work. Dropping them in, letting them sit overnight. I stirred them this morning on the way to work. And when I got back in here, into the shed tonight, oh, bad. Green looks better. Oh, let's see. And the spacer. I think that's all I put in here. Yep, that's all I put in here last night. Save that for another day. Yeah, I'm going to give that some more work. Not as clean as I want it to be. So it's got to breathe, it's got to exhale too. So. Alright, well, out of cleaner and kind of out of time, I think that's it for the night. Thanks.